Hey guys, Ramblin Bob here again. I got some exciting news. So if you click this button right here and you go back to the main Pecron page, look at this, guys. The F5000 LFP is ready for pre-order finally. Holy crapzilla, it's been 14 months since they debuted this. And as you can see, look at that. So the price is going to be $1,999. That's about $100 more than what I thought it was going to be, but not bad at all. Let's see what you get with this thing. Hopefully they have more information with it here. Okay, you got here's the 120 up to 3600 watts times 2, and then you got 240 up to 7200 watts max. Let's see, it says 5120 expansion up to 30, so about 36,000 kilowatt hours or 36,000 watt hours is the max system for this thing. And then let's see here, 6,400 watts of solar. Wow, that's a monster, guys. That's really big. Holy cow. The E3800 LFP has 3,000 solar, so this is double plus extra of what that has, and that's 3,200 watts max for each port from 30 to 180 volts, and also up to 25 amps. So the E3800, which is the next biggest one, has 1,500 per port. So boy, they have beefed that up. I can't believe it. I'm really surprised that they stayed with the XT60 for the inputs rather than going to XT90. But the 25 amps, that's 5 amps more than what the E3600 and the E3800 LFP allow you to bring in. So your array can be much bigger. Let's see here. It says single unit 5,800 watts max input fully in 1.2 hours. And that's obviously with just the system itself. 5,800 watts. Wow, that's a ton, guys. And then with extra battery unit, it says 6,400 watts max. So I wonder if you can expand like just one battery. That would be 600 watts extra for the battery. So we have to wait and see here. We have to wait and see, because it does say 6,400 watts solar charging max, but the single unit you can only get 5,800. But that's nothing to shake a stick at, guys. That's a lot of power. 3,600 watt AC charging with 30 amp cable, 1.8 hours supercharging, and then that is, let's see, adjustable DC output voltage. Now that's new. And then operation log inquiry function. I believe I have that on the 3800, but hopefully it'll go more in depth even on the 5000. Solar charging and AC output statistics function. Fast UPS switchover, bypass 10 millisecond UPS switching or 0 millisecond UPS, which is, I think they call that online. OTA online upgrade feature, built-in automation features on the screen, customizable charging rate, universal wheel dolly. The dolly's very nice, guys. There is one major flaw with the dolly, just so you know. We have the dolly for the 3800. If you have it the way that they show here, there is, it's kind of hard to explain, but there's almost like a tipping feature. So the post on the wheels is actually behind the wheel. So if you have them all the same direction, you will notice if your stack gets tall enough that it will lean a little bit that way with just a little bit of a push. So what we did on ours, we have the dolly on the 3800 plus what we got, 2 batteries plus a 3600 all on top of that, is we put each foot facing the corner outwards at 45-degree angle, and that makes the widest stance. So imagine, it's hard to explain, but okay. So as you're standing, your feet are obviously aimed the outward direction, right, from your body. So if you were to get pushed backwards, you would tip over easy. But if someone tried to push you forward, your feet would stop that. So that's what we did. We put them 45-degree angles like this, outwards. On all 4 sides, and that makes a wider foot stance, and then it doesn't have such a tippy feature like this. I wouldn't put them like this, guys, if you're going to get tall. I wish they had one picture where it was sideways so you could see it. Here, as you can see this, you see how the tires are facing backwards, so that makes a tipping feature forward. So just be careful with your dolly here. Oh, there, wait, we saw them sideways. There you go. So there you go. So you notice how the feet are put outwards, but we would go 45 degrees. As you can see, the center of gravity post, or whatever you call that, is off to the side of the tires. So if all the tires are facing the same way, it has a tendency to rock. So just a heads up. We learned that with our 3800. Let's see, you got customizable charging rate, universal wheel dolly, okay, battery heating, intelligent battery temp management, lithium iron phosphate batteries up to 4,000 life cycles. So that's 500 cycles more than the rest of Pecron stuff. So that's definitely a bonus. And then that's the free trolley, of course. 2,000 bucks, guys. What do you think? Is it worth it? I think it's a pretty big system. It's a pretty big system. Actually, it's a really big system for $2,000. I mean, these things have really changed. For $2,000 before, you could almost get like an ACOUCOU P2001. I think that was like $16.99 back when that first came out, if my memory serves me correctly. But I want to hear you guys' thoughts. I mean, it's up for pre-sale. I don't know if you're going to swing the bat at it. I couldn't wait. I had no idea how long it's going to take. I'm extremely happy with the E3800. If the F5000 is too much power station for you, I like the 36 and the 38. I really do. And then for portability, I like the 1500. I like those two. And then there's the user manual. I think I have that online already. Let's see if anything's changed here, guys. I'll show you a secret with the owner's manual, because sometimes they're not listed. If you look up here in this address, you will see the date somewhere in here, right here. So this says 01/06/2026. So that is actually the hidden date of when they uploaded this. And notice this is still version 1.0. So sometimes you'll see they forget to change this on some models I've seen on some companies. But this is kind of the dead giveaway. This lets you know the date that they uploaded it. So January 6, 2026. So, all right, guys. Well, amazingly, the F5000 LFP is actually ready for pre-sale. So let me know your thoughts. I'd love to hear them. Okay, guys, ramble on, be safe. And if you want to check out the system, the link is in the description. Have fun. See you later. Bye.